What is Groomie Shaver Baldy Pro? Groomie Shaver Baldy Pro is an electric hair shaver designed specifically for men who prefer a clean, bald look. This shaver features a cordless, rechargeable design with a powerful motor that can quickly and efficiently shave even the thickest hair. How does Groomie Shaver Baldy Pro work? The Groomie Shaver Baldy Pro uses a series of ultra-sharp blades to quickly and easily shave hair down to the skin level. Its powerful motor ensures a smooth, even shave with minimal pulling or tugging, while the adjustable guard allows you to control the length of your hair. The shaver is also equipped with a long-lasting battery that can provide up to 90 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. Features and benefits of Groomie Shaver. Cordless, rechargeable design for maximum flexibility and convenience. Ultra-sharp blades for a smooth, close shave. Powerful motor for quick and efficient hair removal. Adjustable guard for precise control over hair length. Long-lasting battery for up to 90 minutes of continuous use. Ergonomic design for comfortable handling. How to use Groomie Shaver Baldy Pro. Using the Groomie Shaver Baldy Pro is easy. Simply charge the shaver using the included charging cable, attach the desired guard to the blades, and turn on the motor. Then, use the shaver to shave your hair down to the desired length. The shaver is also easy to clean and maintain, with detachable blades that can be rinsed under running water. Pros and cons of Groomie Shaver Baldy Pro. Pros. Easy to use and maintain. Powerful motor for quick and efficient hair removal. Cordless, rechargeable design for maximum flexibility and convenience. Adjustable guard for precise control over hair length. Cons. May not be suitable for individuals with sensitive skin or skin conditions. Some users may find the shaver to be noisy during use. May not be suitable for shaving large areas of the body, such as the back or chest. Groomie Shaver price and where to buy. Groomie Shaver is available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We provide this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee.